Today we are going to tour 11666 North 28th Drive, Unit 265 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this spacious split floor plan house with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The home is bright with great natural lighting from high windows and vaulted ceilings. The guest bath features a walk-in tiled shower, while the laundry is fitted with a washer and dryer. The guest bedrooms are both very comfortable, with ample closet space and new carpet installed. Other features include a large kitchen and living area with a fireplace, as well as a comfortable patio with access from the living room and master suite. The master suite boasts a spacious dressing area, a walk-in closet, and a walk-in shower. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Thanks for watching.